This is Neil Berman for the On Button, and this is the Virgin Mobile MiFi 2200 mobile broadband hotspot. The MiFi 2200 is a very small and light device. It has a nice silver fascia. It's actually a plastic covered fascia, and then the back is black. Has the Virgin Mobile logo on the front, power button, and then there's a actual power connector on the side and a light that gives you the status. When you switch the MiFi on, glows up green to let you know that it's on, and then the status indicator on the right starts flashing when it's receiving data. There's removable battery at the back, so you can carry multiple batteries if you're a bit of a road warrior. It's quite a useful feature, so you can swap them in and out. You can also plug it in if you want extended usage if you're near a power outlet. So the MiFi 2200 can serve 5 devices simultaneously with broadband data on the go. I'm hooking it up here to an iPad, and we can see the kind of speed that you get to load up a typical website. This is the On Button's website, and it's fairly image intensive, so it can take a few seconds to load up the site typically, but the MiFi is doing a pretty good job there of loading it up. It's waiting for some more data at the bottom there, but it's certainly a lot faster than the AT&T connection on this iPad, but that's probably more down to where I actually based, which is in New York City. But for most usages, found the speed of the MiFi to be very good. You can see it's loaded up the whole page there pretty quickly. Let's have a look to see what it's like using Google Maps. So we're going to zoom in here on California and then San Francisco, and let's see how quickly we can render the data there. It's pretty responsive. Again, not quite as quick as a sort of home cable connection, but it's certainly quick enough if you're out and about on the road. Was also able to watch Netflix on the iPad's Netflix app pretty easily using the MiFi, which was something that's very useful if you're going to be on the road and away from home. Let's see here if we can see what the view looks like on the Golden Gate Bridge. So we can zoom in there on Google Maps, and let's see if we can get Street View up and running here. Doesn't look like we're going to be able to get a view in the sea, but let's see if we can drop a pin actually on the bridge. There we go, and that will take us now onto the bridge itself. And again, we're putting all of this data over Sprint's network, which is what Virgin Mobile uses for the MiFi. And there we are on the Golden Gate Bridge. That's the Virgin Mobile MiFi 2200. I'm Neil Berman for the On Button.